Hi guys, Terminal here. In this video, I am reviewing La Roche Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer SPF30. This product is said to be lightweight, hydrating, non-greasy, and is fast absorbing. It is recommended to those who have dry to combination skin as well as sensitive skin. It retails for $23, but I got mine for cheaper. Links to purchase this would be in the description box as well as the comment section. So it's time for me to do a hand swatch for you guys. Just a dot, that's fine. Right now you can see that this is thick in consistency. I'll go ahead to blend it with my fingers. I'm going to let this air dry a bit. I think this is okay. I'm just going to further blend it in. So far, no cast, but then there's a glow when you compare here to here. So with sunscreen, without sunscreen, I believe you can see a very clear difference between both. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, now is the perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. I'll proceed to apply this on my face so that you guys can see. I already washed my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. Then I went in with the hydrating toner. Now it's time for me to apply sunscreen. So because this product is a 2-in-1, meaning it's a moisturizer and also a sunscreen, I don't have to apply moisturizer before it, and I also do not have to apply sunscreen after it. I want to grab my measuring spoon, fill it up, and there we have it, like so. Time to blend in. Going to spread. I'm going to let that air dry. While that is ongoing, I would apply it to my neck with the same amount. Don't forget the back of your neck as well. Blend the rest to my ear area. So this has sunken really nicely. It's time for me to, blend it further. So this is what my face looks like after application. I'll come forward so you guys can get a closer view of what my skin looks like. So in terms of finish, this leaves my skin with a shine or a sheen. As you guys can see, it's non-greasy. This is that perfect sunscreen for winter for my skin type, which is combination. In winter, I like to use things that are dewy because my skin sometimes changes. It could be normal or it could go dry. So products that make my face glow is something my skin loves when it's winter. So does this product have any scent? Hold on, let me check that out. I didn't really see any fragrance-like ingredients on the list, and I think it also claims that it's fragrance-free. Doesn't quite have any scent. Sometimes I can pick something sweet even if a product is fragrance-free, but this one doesn't have any of, that or those going on there. It's dark skin friendly. Any skin tone can definitely wear this. I would not see a cast on their skin. What type of sunscreen is this? This is a chemical sunscreen. The sunscreen filters are avobenzone 3%, homosalate 5%, oxysalate 5%, octocrylene 7%. It contains other ingredients like 3-ceramide, niacinamide, tocopherol, allantoin, Roche Posay thermal water, glycerin, and so on. So who do I recommend this product to? I would say all skin types can use it. So for dry skin to normal skin, you can use this all year round. If you have combination to oily skin, I recommend you use this when it's winter, mainly because in winter, for example, my skin, it tends to shift because, you know, winter is dry air and it just sucks up all the moisture, which could lead to transepidermal water loss. So you definitely need something that either is an occlusive or something that has like a kind of sheen or gives a sheen to your skin, and that's where this particular one comes in. It reminds me so much of the one I reviewed from CeraVe. I just put a link on the screen so you guys can see. So it's about the same finish that they both, you know, give me. Does this sting or peel? Right now, no eye sting, no peeling whatsoever. Really easy to blend in, nothing. But if anything changes, I'll definitely let you guys know in the comment section, and I'll pin it or in the description box. So make sure you check out on those. I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to those who you think should watch this video, subscribe down below if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Do have a wonderful day.